Hi friends, we're on lesson 11. I can represent subtraction with and without the decomposition of 110 as 10 ones with manipulatives. All right, you're going to need your dry erase board, your sock, your marker, and place value discs that should be at the table. For this first one, I just want you to watch. The next one, you're going to be working with me. So I have this problem 35 minus 9. How can we solve this? Well, we could just count backwards, starting at 35 and going back 9, but I'm going to show you another way. So I want you to look at my place value board. I have 3 10s and 5 1s. That number represents 35. Now, I need to take away 9 1s. I want you to look at this. Do I have enough 1s to take away? I don't. I only have 5. So how can I solve this problem? What can I do? Well, as you remember, we've been bundling and unbundling and moving discs back and forth in between the different spots, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to take one of those 10s and we're going to unbundle it. If I unbundle a 10, what am I going to have? 10 1s. So I want you to watch me do this. I'm going to cross it out, and I'm going to just bring it over here, and I'm going to show you my 10 1s. Now, you're going to be doing this with place value discs. I just don't have them for this particular slide, so I'm going to show you when I draw. Okay, so here are my 10, and if you look at this, we still have the number 35. We have 10, 20, here's our other 10, that's 30, and there's 35. But we unbundle a 10 to make sure that we had enough 1s to subtract that 9. And can we do that now? We can. So I'm going to subtract 9. And what do we have left? We have 2 10s and 6 1s. And what does that equal? 2 10s, 6 1s. It equals 26. All right, I think you're ready to try one with me. So on your place value board and on your board, I want you to write down in the horizontal way, just like I have it, 46 minus 18. Now, what are we going to show? Are we going to show 18 or 46? That's right, we're going to show 46 because we want to take away that 18. So I'm going to just show by placing 10, 20, 30, 30, 40, okay, and you do that too. So we have 40, and then we're going to have 6. Now, it doesn't matter if mine are different colors than yours, just as long as they have the numbers on them, because you're going to find that sometimes they're going to be different colors. So here is 43, 44, 45, and I need one more for 46. Okay. So here's my 46, and I am going to look and see if I can take away 18. Well, I can take away 10, but I can't take away 8 1s. So what do I have to do? I have to unbundle. Now, to do that, I have to take this away and replace it with 10 1s. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you should be doing this too, 8, 9, and 10. Now, I unbundled this one, so this one goes away. Now, I still have 46. Here's 30, here's 40, and then there's my 6. Can I take away 18? I can. So 18 is 1 10 and 8 1s. So I'm going to take away that 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, and what do I have left? I have, here's 5, 6, 7, 8, and 20 what? 28. And we write it down. Okay, and that's all there is to this. All right, we're going to keep going. 47 minus 22, what are we going to build? Right, we're going to build 47. So with your place value discs, I want you to build 47. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 7. Let's get rid of these over here. Okay, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Okay, now it's asking me to take away 22. Can I take away 2 10s and 2 1s? I can. So that means I don't have to unbundle with this one. I'm just simply going to take them away. Here's 10, here's 20, here's 21, here's 22. And what do I have left? 25. And that's my answer. So I just write it down, 25. So sometimes we're going to unbundle and sometimes we're not going to have to. It all depends. All right, try this one. Erase your board. 70 minus 28. What are we going to build first? We're going to build the 70. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, now I can look right away. I cannot take away 28 because I have absolutely no 1s. So what do I have to do? Right, I have to unbundle. I'm going to get rid of this one and I'm going to replace it with 10 1s. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I need one more, 10. Okay, so I should still have 70. Here's 60, and 10 more is 70. So can I take away 28 now? I can. So here's 10, here's 20, here's 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And what do we have left? Let's count. We have 4 10s and 2 1s. What does that become? 42. So that's our answer. It's pretty easy, isn't it? And that's all we're going to be doing today is we're going to be unbundling sometimes and not unbundling. We just have to see if we have enough 1s to take away, we can do it without unbundling. All right, see you at group.